Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of being slow on Bumble app. To know how to fix or how to find the solution about being slow on Bumble app, you should just go to settings. In the first, you can go to the window of apps and you can click on Bumble app. Then you can go to first stop and you can click OK. Then you can go to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.